How to lock Google Keep Notes. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So first, launch your Google Keep Notes. Then go to the menu bar, but unfortunately you will not see any options where you will be able to lock your Keep Notes application. But what you can do instead is you can simply hide your confidential notes. To do so, simply tap and hold the notes, tap on the three dot, and then you can archive it and it will not appear over here. But if you want to see it, simply go to archive, and as you can see, it will be appear over here, and you can also edit it. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.